Pick-and-place robots are built for speed and accuracy. But without the right vision system, even minor errors can cause failed picks, misalignment, and production delays. That's why Econ Systems designs, develops, and manufactures camera solutions with AI-based detection capabilities. It ensures that robots can identify, track, and respond in a timely manner. Cameras identify object coordinates in real time, giving critical details like position, rotation angle, and depth. So, the robot can plan the right movement path while its gripper can pick up objects without collisions and place accurately. Pick-and-place cycles are continuous, which means the camera updates position data constantly. Even if an object shifts slightly on a moving conveyor, the robot can still adapt. Econ Systems offers cameras optimized for fast, repeatable robotic vision tasks. These MIPI, USB, and GMSL cameras are tested in real industrial settings, powered by deployment-backed performance. Our global shutter cameras eliminate rolling artifacts in high-speed scenes. It also helps overcome motion blur in fast pick cycles. This delivers clean, undistorted frames that robotic arms can rely on. Econ Systems cameras 120 FPS to match rapid pick cycles. Higher frame rates reduce the delay between detection and movement. We offer cameras with 5 MP, 8 MP, and higher resolution capabilities for detailed inspection. This supports the detection of shiny, transparent, or black objects that normally present low-contrast surfaces. With compact designs, our cameras can effortlessly be integrated into pick-and-place robots. This helps enhance object classification, especially for small or overlapping parts. Econ Systems cameras have trigger input and output for supporting exact capture timing. So, images can be sensed with encoder signals, robotic joints, or conveyors. It also stabilizes image capture during ambient lighting variations by controlling the exact moment of exposure. Econ Systems provide S-mount lens types for field control. Different lens configurations enable tuning for depth range, working distance, and focus spread. Econ Systems camera solutions power robotic systems, from electronics assembly to packaging lines, with world-class imaging. Want help finding the right camera for a pick-and-place robot? Click the link in the description.